Last trip to Indonesia was not just another vacation. It was a personal challenge for me to step out of my comfort zone. At first, I could not even comprehend that being away from my little family was even a possibility.
But what I did not realize is that this trip gave me insight about ultimate self care that I have been needing for a long time.
Be honest with yourself what kind of break you need.
Recognize when you're running on empty and what will truly help you to recharge. Whether it's physical rest, mental clarity, or emotional peace.
Step away from the environment that keep you in the cycle.
Create space for yourself by removing yourself from the constant demands of go mode. For me, it's mommy mode or other roles that you play daily.
Take your break on your own
Terms. You are the boss. You take control. Choose what feels right for you, whether it's doing nothing or trying something that brings you joy. Let it be about your needs, not anyone else's expectations.
These were not always grand gestures or picture perfect moments.
But they were real. They were you. They were yours. Self care is not about doing what looks good to others, it's about doing what feels good for you.
Keep it simple and unstructured.
Avoid overscheduling or filling your break with too many planned activities. Let simplicity be your guide.
Embrace little joys that nurture your mind and body. The truth is, sometimes they are very affordable or free.
Start your day with a quiet moment to watch the sunrise or simply appreciate nature around you. Indulge in cravings without guilt, whether it's trying a new fruit or having cake for breakfast. Revisit meaningful places or memories to reconnect with yourself and what matters most. Do something nostalgic like reading a favorite childhood book to bring simple happiness and to nurture the inner child. I wanted to share these with you because I know how easy it is to put yourself last. But the truth is, you cannot pour from an empty cup. Taking care of yourself is not selfish, it is necessary. It's what keeps us going, and that way we can keep taking care of what we love most. It does not have to look like anyone else's version of self care.
Whatever self-care looks like for you, I hope you find your ultimate break that you needed. It's about giving yourself a permission to be a priority because you deserve it. That was a cold walk, but it was a good one.